Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to another video. It's another Saturday. We're once more down at the garage. Yeah, not sure what we will do exactly today yet. I guess we will figure that out as we go along. But I basically just wanted to show you. My friend is on a little bit of a unlucky streak. For those that play Overwatch, I would say he's on a chipsa. Yeah, so this thing was hanging up there up to, I believe, Wednesday or Thursday. So what they did, they received a lot of, well, I don't see them, it must be somewhere up there. They received a lot of stuff in his pallets. And so he was driving around with his stapler? I forgot the name. Like the thing that carries these pallets around, and he can put them like up there. So he was driving around. They had like, I think 26 of those that they had to stow away. So he's driving around, everything was fine. And then like the third last or second last, when he finished putting them up, he turned back and accidentally drove into this guy. So what happened, the line snapped. This thing crashed down. And I mean, it's not the first time, it's the second time now that it crashed down. The first time was when they tried to put it up. This time it crashed because they were driving into it. Well, yeah. So now it's definitely going into the bin. That's not going to be reused anymore. So it's for now just sitting here until someone picks it up. I think they organized already someone to pick it up. So this thing will disappear quite soon. I believe it's in the course of next week. So one thing less, meaning we can, yeah, one of the wretches is still up there. Yeah, so one thing less that is in the way. Another thing that I did, I couldn't show you last time because there was no one around to open the door on this side. That's basically the company of my friend. So we finished with a welding table. Just quickly want to show it to you. It's full of garbage again, quite common here. So this is the welding table that we put together. It's very massive. Like we had to be 3 people to lift it or to turn it around as we were welding the wheels on. But this thing is awesome. Like it moves around so easily. It's big, so you can literally weld anything on this guy. So it's really cool. I definitely need something like this as well at home. Not in this size, obviously, but at some point when I got my gas and everything, I'll definitely produce something like this as well. I think it's just a nice thing to weld on. So that at some point will move over to the garage, but when it is, nobody knows yet. Basically needs to put some stuff away from the garage. He needs to put that over there and so on, yada yada. As usual, it's usually taking a moment until that happens. So if you look inside, there is a big mess again, because my friend, he bought an Evo end of last year, like in December. And yeah, he now picked it up and he realized that it was not working. So they somehow fucked up the ECU. It's the original one. So he brought it out to a friend to reflash the whole ECU to stock, just to make sure that this thing is working properly. And in that course, they realized that the tank is rusted through. So they had a lot of rust in the petrol. And with that, the petrol pump rusted through. And even the lines, they were all fucked up. So yeah, as I said, he's on an unlucky streak right now. Like this thing happened, the Evo happened. It's just everything going upside down. And yeah, so if you go in here, you will hear this. So this, I'm not gonna call it what it is, but this bastard is chirping like bigger than ever. It's crazy. At this point, I just want to hit it with a massive hammer, so just it shuts up. But well, it's not mine. It's a 1,000 euro battery, so I will probably just throw it out of the garage and put it somewhere where I don't hear it, because it's freaking annoying. Right, so the plan at one point was, or is, or it is going to be to replace these arms, because you got new ones. The other ones over here. Blow all this garbage, that guy. So this beautiful piece of aluminium is going to be on his car, and it might very well happen that we are going to do this today, just afterwards, as soon as he's back. So that definitely needs to go on. And we also were planning to continue on the engine, because he should have everything now. He welded this Y piece here. I don't think he replaced, no. So the oil, yeah, the oil inlet is missing it. So the plan was really to also continue a bit on the engine. Okay. That we also continue with this, because he needs this car to be driving at the end of this month. I mean, that was the plan like 2 or 3 weeks ago, to go on a race. Now, I don't know if the plan changed. We will hear that from him in a bit later. So yeah, that would be one thing. Second thing, all these Evo parts everywhere, it's crazy. On the REPU, you've seen last time that I stripped it quite a lot. What I'm struggling with still is to get the other one, so this one over there, out, because the bolt underneath is completely stripped. So I need to see how we get there. It's super annoying, like underneath, up, backwards, so nuts. So that is one thing that still needs to come off. And in here the heater unit, and ultimately the lining and the glasses. So that was my personal plan to start with that. If that's going to be the case, well, we will see. I'm for now just gonna wait until in here it heats up a little bit. It's like -6 degrees outside. It's really cold, and like only 15 minutes ago I started the heater. So yeah, we need to see. Gonna take a moment until it's a bit warmer in here, and then we will start. Until then, my friends should be here as well, and then we will see what we're going to do, and you obviously tag along. All right, so let's get cracking. see rear window gone, front window gone, interior pretty much gone, headliner gone. So it's pretty much all out. What we still need, I have one screw here that is screwed up, so I need to drill it out. And then yeah, we basically try to get this guy out as well, but we're not sure if we want to do it before or after the blasting, so that we need to see. But yeah, we're gonna stop here for today. It's pretty much done for the moment. As I said, I will need to get the 1 or 2 things done still, and then we'll give it for blasting to get rid of the color and everything, to really see the extent of the damage. And then yeah, we'll continue from there. I'll keep you updated, of course. Might be that the next video will take a moment now, since we'll give it next to blasting. So yeah, in the meantime we might work on my friend's FD a little bit, so stay tuned. Yeah, if you like what you see, please leave a like or a comment or a subscription. If you have any questions, any remarks, feel free to comment. I'm always happy to answer. And yeah, I would say we'll see each other in the next video again. Until then, take care everyone, stay healthy, and I hope to see you guys soon. Alright, I'm out everyone, bye bye.